Today, I'm unboxing something truly next level. This is the Devialet Phantom Ultimate 98 dB. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Let's check out the box. Super premium feel already. Opening it up, wow, look at that iconic spherical shape. The light pearl finish is just stunning in person. It feels solid, but compact, definitely a statement piece. Here's the redesigned grille. It's sculptural and modern. I love how this would fit any room's vibe. Let's see what else is in the box. Here's the remote. Sleek, minimalist, fits perfectly in hand. Power cable, user manual, and some quick start guides. Setting it up is super straightforward. Just plug and play. Let's power it on for the first time. The LED indicator lights up. Very futuristic touch. Connecting to Wi-Fi is quick with the app. Now, pairing my phone via Bluetooth 5.2. Let's stream some high-res tracks from Spotify Connect. First impression, the sound is absolutely massive. It fills the room, even at low volume. Let's test the remote volume control. Adjusting from across the room, super responsive. No lag, just instant control. Really convenient. Now, let's crank it up to 98 dB. Zero distortion, even at max volume. So impressive. The bass is deep, but never muddy or overwhelming. Highs are crisp, mids are detailed. Studio quality clarity. I can hear every instrument, every subtle detail. The frequency range is insane, 18 Hz to 25 kHz. Let's try some classical music for dynamics. Every note resonates. It's like being at a live concert. Switching to a movie scene for home theater test. Explosions, dialogue, background music, all perfectly balanced. It transforms my living room into a mini cinema. Multi-room sync works flawlessly with other Devialet speakers. Seamless streaming with AirPlay and Google Cast too. No dropouts, ultra-low latency. Everything just works smoothly. The design is more than just good looks. That spherical shape actually optimizes sound diffusion. It sounds great no matter where you sit. The finish is elegant, fits modern or classic decor. It's compact enough for shelves, bold enough for display. The build quality feels premium. Every detail is refined. I appreciate the intuitive controls on the remote. You can adjust volume, skip tracks, all remotely. No need to get up. Perfect for parties or movies. High-resolution audio processing is a game changer. The 32-bit 96 kHz means pure, lossless sound. It's honestly hard to go back to regular speakers. If you're an audiophile, you'll love the clarity. Home theater fans, this is a serious upgrade. Tech lovers, the connectivity options are top-notch. Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 5, AirPlay, Google Cast, everything's here. Spotify Connect HiFi, support for high-res streaming. Multi-device streaming is seamless, no interruptions. I've tested it with multiple sources, all work flawlessly. The soundstage is wide, immersive, and natural. It's perfect for music, movies, or even podcasts. You can set it up solo or in a pair. For bigger rooms, multi-room sync is a must-have. Honestly, it's hard to find any downsides here. Maybe the price, but you're paying for true quality. If you want the best, this is worth it. It's not just a speaker, it's an experience. I'd recommend it to serious music lovers. Also great if you want a cinematic home theater. Or if you just love beautiful functional tech. If you're on the fence, definitely listen in person. Ready to upgrade your sound? Check the link below. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.